Yeah, coming to calendars. So this is a very important topic with respect to SSC, CGL, banking kind of exams. You can expect one or two questions from calendars. See friends, if you listen all these slides, you can easily crack any calendar question. This is explained a simple method. Okay, let us see here. See, what is the terminology we will use in calendars? Odd days, week, leap years, non-leap years and century years. We will see one by one. See here, odd days is nothing but the number of days left over after taking maximum integral number of weeks. Okay, for example 30 days. If I take 30 days, how we can write 4 weeks plus 2 days. So 4 weeks means 28 days. And how many days is left over? 2 days. So in 30 days the number of odd days is 2. That is how we will calculate. Now week, we know that week contains 7 days. A leap year is nothing but a year which has 366 days. Non-leap year means a year which has 365 days. And century years end with 2 zeros. For example 100, 200, 300, 400 and so on. This we call century years. See friends, what is leap year? Every year divisible by 4. Every year divisible by 4 is a leap year if it is not a century year. For a century year is to be a leap year, it must be divisible by 400. Means every 4th century is a leap year and no other century is a leap year. For example, see, let us go with century years. 400 is a leap year. 800 is a leap year because it is a multiple of 400. 400 into 3, 1200, so leap year. 1600 can be written as 400 into 4, it is a leap year. 2000, 400 into 5 is a leap year. For example, 2200 is not a leap year because it is not divisible by 400. Whereas for the normal years, 1948, is it divisible by 4? Yes. 48 is divisible by 4, so it is a leap year. 04 divisible by 4, it is a leap year. 76, 1676, 76 is divisible by 4, it is a leap year. Is 1854 leap year? No, because 54 is not divisible by 4. Okay. Non-leap years, the year which is not a leap year is called non-leap years. A non-leap year has 365 days. Example for non-leap years: 2001, 2002, 2003, 2005, 1800, 2100, 1900, 2200, which are not leap years, we call it as non-leap years. See here, century years. Century years again classified into two types: century leap years and century non-leap years. Century leap years are nothing but multiples of 400. Century non-leap years are other than multiples of 400. We will see examples. See here, century leap years are multiples of 400. So 400 is a leap year, 800 is a leap year, 1200 is a leap year, 1600 is a leap year, 2000 is a leap year, 2400 is a leap year. Century non-leap years, 100 is not a leap year, so century non-leap year. 1700 century non-leap year, 1900 century non-leap year, 2200 century non-leap year. Classification. So here, century years are classified into two types: century leap years and century non-leap years. Century leap years are multiples of 400. Example: 400, 800, 1200, 1600, 2400. Century non-leap years is nothing but non-multiples of 400. Example: 100, 500, 1700, 1900, 2100, 2200 and so on. Odd days. This is very important concept with respect to calendars. What is odd day? In a given period, the number of days more than complete weeks are called odd days. For example, 365 days. So 365 days can be written as 52 weeks. How I am writing here 52 weeks directly? Simple. 365 when divided by 7, because a week contains 7 days. That is the reason we divide with 7. 7 5s are 35. The remainder is 1, 5. 7 2s are 14. So the remainder is 1. So we can write it as 52 weeks plus 1 day. So in a 365 days, number of odd days is 1. Okay, we will see few examples. See here, in 10 days we will have 1 week, 3 days. So how many odd days are there in 10 days? 3 odd days. 3 odd days. In 100 days, 100 can be written as 7 into 14 plus 2. So this 2 is an odd day. So that is it, writing here 2 odd days. 150 days, likewise 21 into 7, 147, and 3 days is remaining. So for 150 days, how many odd days are there? 3 odd days. For 200 days, this can be written as 28 into 7, which is nothing but 196 days. So how many odd days are there? 4 odd days. 300 days, 300 days can be written as 42 weeks and 6 days. 42 into 7, which is nothing but 294. The balance is 6 odd days. 350 days, 350 is exactly multiple of 750 into 7. So there is no odd days, so 0 odd days. Okay. Now for example, non-leap year. In a non-leap year, how many days are there? 365 days. So 365 contains 52 weeks, 1 day. So this, for a non-leap year, how many odd days are there? 1 odd day. Leap year, a leap year has 366 days. So this can be written as 52 weeks and 2 days. So a non-leap year contains 1 odd day and a leap year contains 2 odd days. A leap year contains 2 odd days, non-leap year contains 1 odd day.